Hi, Sisi Pinay Blondie! Happy birthday sa'yo. I love you. And sorry kung hindi ako makarating this month, this year ng birthday mo. Kasi alam mo naman, pauwi na ako next month. Pero you know how much I love you. And wish you more birthdays to come. You're always in my heart. At sa lahat ng mga taga-Florida, I really miss you all. So sad. Nakakamiss kayong lahat. Sana, Sisi, ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo. Sana marami pang birthday dumating. At marami ka pang kandilang i-blow at cake na kakainin every year. Diba? I love you always. Makulay na buhay sa iyo forever.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ma'am Pinay Blondie. Happy birthday, Ma'am Pinay Blondie. More blessing to comes and more birthday to comes. Thank you. Again, happy birthday, Ma'am Pinay Blondie.
Pinay Blondie, happy birthday! Sana masaya ka sa karawan mo nito ngayon. Greeting from Mami G. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Pinay Blondie. Happy birthday and more birthday to celebrate with the family and friends sa SOCMED. Happy birthday!
Day, happy birthday. Wish you luck. More health. We love you.
Hello, Ate Pinay. Happy birthday, Ate. It's so good to meet you in person. And I'm wishing you good health and all the success of vlogging. I hope to see you again. And happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Pinay Blondie. Wishing you lots of love, laughter, and amazing years ahead. Sayang kayo di may maka-attend sa mong birthday. Pero sige lang, just know that we're always thinking of you. Wish we're there in Florida to celebrate with you and join the fun. Happy birthday!
Hello, Pinay Blondie. I just want to let you know that I miss you and I'm so happy that I'm your friend and it's been an honor for me to be part of this videos. I just want to let you know that someone told me that it's your birthday. Happy birthday! I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your special day. And I hope God always there for you and more blessings for you. And Tito Ken, thank you. And
Happy birthday, Pinay Blondie! Ayan, hindi pa tayo nagkita but I knew na sobrang mabait ka. Ayan, happy birthday, enjoy your day. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo, okay? Enjoy your life.
Once again, happy birthday to Pinay Blondie. More blessing ng birthday. God bless always. And amping kanunay. Enjoy your day. And pagpahubog maayo diha.